Hey guys, in this video we are going to see a pocket option quick trading strategy which you can start to use right after watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. I'm going to show you each and everything in such a simple way that you can use it right after watching this video in a simple way. And if you want to copy my trades automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So first of all, you need to make all of this currency pair favorite that has over 90% payout, and just click on these stars and make sure all of this currency pair are OTC currency pair. Here you can see these are called the OTC. So just make all of this favorite so that it can appear at here. So just you need to make these stars yellow in this way. So once you finish doing this, then there is one simple step that you need to do right after doing this, and I'll show you it right after finishing to make it all stars. So all of this currency pair have appeared at here. Now you need to decide the amount that you want to invest. So let's say in our case we are going to invest $200 per trade in this video, in this trading session. And you need to click on these candles and select this candle, not on any other. Okay, just this candle, and select the time frame S5. Now if this is not enabled, that is enable timer, okay, then this kind of timer will not be shown. If you want to see this kind of timer, then make sure to enable it in this way. Okay, once you do this much, then just click on here and click on parabolic SAR. So this is the indicator that we are going to use in this video to make quick trading. And then just, if it is flag at here, make sure it is clock. Okay, just click on it and it will transform to the clock, and just click on this one and select S5. Our trading time frame is also going to be of 5 seconds. So our candles are of 5 seconds. Our trading time frame is also going to be of 5 seconds. Now here is the amount that we are going to invest in this trade. Now these are the parabolic SAR dots. So the parabolic SAR is a simple indicator that shows you whenever the dots are forming above the candles, then that means it is a downtrend. And whenever the candles are forming, whenever these dots are forming below the candle, then that means it is an uptrend. So now you just need to make trade while you see this kind of second dot appearing. Okay, so in this case I made a trade and we were profitable. One trade was already in profit at here, and you just need to see whenever this one dot is forming and the second dot have formed, at that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Now sometimes up and down happen, that is another thing, but this is the strategy. Okay, this strategy as simple as that. Now let's say if you were at here, okay, and one dot have formed and second dot was going to form, at that time you could have made trade by clicking on higher. So whenever the parabolic SAR dots are below the candles and second dot is forming, at that time make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, if the parabolic SAR dots are above the candles, then make trade by clicking on lower when you see this second dot. Now the purpose of putting all of this currency pair here is like you can switch it in a simple way, in this way. And whenever you see the situations where you could make the trade, then you can make the trade. So let's find out more currency pair where we can make the trade. Now, yes, of course, not all of your trades are going to go right, but most of your trades are going to be right by using this indicator and this simple strategy. So here you can see second dot have formed. If we had made trade at here, then we could have made profit. Here you can see it was a green candle. In this context, you could have made trade by clicking on higher. So let's keep on finding for more places where we can make this trade. So here you can see here was second dot. Here we could have made trade by clicking on higher, and yes, we could have made profit, or maybe because of the sudden movement we could have also made the loss. Okay, these things keep on happening while making. Here you can see one dot have formed and second dot have formed, but our entry was a little bit in the lower side and we made loss in this trade. So this type of things keep on happening. Okay, so I would suggest you to use firstly in the demo account. Here you can see second dot have formed, candle is red. If you had made trade by clicking on lower, you could have made profit easily. So let's keep on finding for more entries where we can make the trade, and keep on watching this video because I am going to explain you also about this strategy, and a few things that you may need to know while using this strategy. Now let's say if you didn't find again and again while switching from this currency pair, then what you can do is you can click on here and see where you can make all other currency pair your favorite at here that has over 90% payout. Also you can include these 87%, 80% payout currency pair, but the thing is like why to go with the low payout, right? So here you can see second dot have formed, and if you had made trade by clicking on lower at here, you could have made profit. Let's keep on finding. So this is the pocket option quick trading strategy. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the video. Now let's keep on finding for more currency pair, and I'm not going to make any edits to this video so that you can see the power of this strategy. Here you can see you could have easily made profit at this candle because second dot was forming. Sometimes being late, here you can see we could have made trade at here, but in this case we could have made loss, okay, because the candle was green. Let's keep on finding. Here also we could have made trade, and what could have happened, we could have made profit. Okay, I think you are seeing the potential of this strategy in this actual session. But sometimes one important thing, okay, sometimes it is hard to find the entry point, okay, but don't get frustrated by just because you couldn't find the entry. Sometimes the timing is extremely important. Here you can see second dot had formed and this candle went to red, so we could have made loss. So just keep patience, test it in your demo account before using it in real account. Here we could have made trade, and we made the trade, and most probably we are going to make profit in this trade. And yes, we made a profit. As you can see, this is the beauty of this indicator. Okay, you can practice it in your demo account, and as I have told you previously also, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option by using this social trading feature, and do join my free Telegram channel, link will be in the description of this YouTube video. And if you want to see how I use this strategy to turn my $10 into $2,541, then the video will be anywhere at here. You can see that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.